हाय एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप सब एंड कैसी चल रही है डेली हसल। मैं हूँ श्रेया एंड आई एम हियर टू हेल्प यू अंडरस्टैंड ऑन हाउ टू अवेल द अमेजिंग स्टडी रिसोर्सेज दैट मैथ्स एक्सेल हैज स्पेशली क्रिएटेड फॉर यू। मैथ्स एक्सेल एक एडकेट प्लेटफॉर्म है started with the aim to provide top-notch education in unique ways. And trust me, we are working day in and out just so you can take the next big leap in your career. इसी विजन को ध्यान में रखते हुए मैथ्स एक्सेल हैज क्रिएटेड न्यूमरस सेल्फ-paced courses which is to be consumed in the form of a video book. Now you must be thinking, ये video book क्या है? So why not come and buy this course with me first and I'll explain you everything step by step. So let's get started. In a new browser, type maxexcel.in and we'll be headed on to our website. Scroll our home page and you'll find some of our courses, or you can head on to the courses tab here and you'll find all the list of our courses that we published till now. So let's take this arithmetic course for example. Basic to Advanced Arithmetic for Quantitative Aptitude CAT 2025 Self-Study. Let's click on Enroll Now. Now once you're on this page, you'll get to explore the complete structure and pattern of this course. Now let me tell you, almost all the courses that have been published on our website has the same structure and pattern. So understanding the pattern before purchasing or before you start your preparation is really important. Now if you scroll down a bit, you will be able to see the complete course content ka table. You have all the 8 chapters that comes under the topic of arithmetic, that is percentage, profit and loss, SICI, and everything that is visible on the screen. So these are the 8 topics that comes under the topic of arithmetics. Now, if you click on the downward arrow beside the topic name, be it percentage for example. So if you click on the downward arrow and it gets expanded, you'll be able to see the actual content that is being provided to you for every course. So you'll be able to see all the classes, the quizzes, the practice questions and everything that has been provided to you inside this course. So now I think it's the right time to tell you कि मैं इस self-paced course को एक video book से क्यों compare कर रही थी. So this is because all these self-paced courses follow a very similar format that is being followed by a book. So let's try to recall a bit. Whenever you are about to study any chapter from a book, what is the format that is being followed there? You have the explanatory paragraphs for every concepts in detail, which explains you the concepts. And then after every major concept, you have a few solved examples, which makes you understand the concept in detail. At the end of all the concepts, you have a set of practice questions, which contains mixed questions from all the concepts that lets you test your knowledge. Now, if you see here, you'll find a very similar structure to this. For every topic, suppose percentage here, you have the concept builder lectures first. For every concept builder lectures, you have a few solved examples or concept questions. And then at the end of all the concept builder lectures and the concept questions, you have a set of practice questions of around 20 to 30 questions. Now, these practice questions contains questions from all the concepts that has been taught in the previous lectures and concept questions. Similarly, you can check this for all the different topics as well. The same pattern has been followed for all the topics. Now, before you proceed to buy this course, I suggest you to watch this introductory video that is available for every course that we have on our website. ये introductory video बनाया गया है by all the tutors and the teaching staff that have actually created the complete course content for you. So, इस video में देखकर you will be able to actually get an in-depth idea of what the course is about and what the course contains. So let's move on and start the purchase. So as you can see here, the original MRP of the course was around rupees 499, and after a 92% off, we have brought this complete arithmetic course for you at just rupees 400. But wait, there's more to it. So before buying every course, make sure you check out the description of the course and check out for any coupon codes here. If there are any coupon code for any particular course, the code would be mentioned here itself. So for this particular arithmetic course, I see the coupon code mentioned here, which is max 1000. So let's apply it and see कि कितना discount मिलता है. So let's just copy and paste it here and click on the apply button. Oh, a massive discount. 400 का हो गया, just 20 rupees. So let's buy it. Now here are the payment options. You have UPI, cards, net banking, wallet. All these options are available for payment. So let's try out the UPI option and make the payment. Payment done. Once you're done with the payment, you will be able to see that the buy now option that was here will be converted into learn now option. For accessing the course, just click on this learn now option and you will be directed to this page. Now you have the complete access of all the chapters, all the video lectures, the concept questions and all the practice questions of each chapter. Click on this drop down and you will be able to see all the classes, concept questions, the practice question sets for all the chapters. Once you are done listening to the first video, you can simply click on this arrow button to move on to the quiz, that is the concept questions of the first video. Click on start quiz, click on any of the options, then you can tap on check answer. Now here, for every concept questions, we have written explanation and not video explanation. There is a reason behind it. The reason is that the concept questions that we have for every video lecture is very similar to the questions discussed in those video lectures. Hence, we suggest you to try and attempt these questions on your own to gain a better understanding and to also test your knowledge. Even if you're not able to get the correct answer at once you click on any of these options, you'll get the written explanation of these questions. These written explanations are to help you wherever you get stuck in any of the questions. Now, I hope concept builder lectures and concept questions का idea आपको clear हो चुका है. Now, let's explore the practice question sets that we have at the end of every topic. So if you scroll down a bit and click on the last class of percentage, once you complete the lecture, the last video lecture of percentage, and click on this arrow, you will be directed to the practice question set. Upon clicking on the start quiz option, you get to the first question. You can just click on the right option after solving your question on your own and click on check answer. Once you click on the check answer, you will receive a video explanation of that particular question. Now these video lectures or video explanations are there for each and every question in the practice set. Now once you click on the check answer option, आपको दिखेगी ये explanatory video. अब ये video है solution उस particular question का. So for every questions in the practice question set, we have video solutions. ये वीडियो एक्सप्लेनेशंस आपको मिलेंगे ऑलमोस्ट एवरी क्वेश्चन के लिए जो हमारे प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन सेट्स में है. हर एक सेट में आपको मिलेंगे अराउंड 20 to 30 इजी टू डिफिकल्ट लेवल के प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस. अब इन प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस के सॉल्यूशंस हमारे टीचिंग स्टाफ एंड मेंटर्स ने बनाए हैं बहुत ही टाइम एंड एफर्ट्स लेकर. क्यों? क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चंस हमने डिजाइन किए हैं विद द मिक्सचर ऑफ कंसेप्ट्स दैट यू गेट टू लर्न इन ऑल द वीडियो लेक्चर्स थ्रू आउट योर कोर्स. And because in practice questions बनाए गए हैं keeping in mind the difficulty level of a competitive exam, so we thought that these questions require a proper video solutions so that आपको कभी भी अकेला फील ना हो while solving these difficult questions. We want to be there with you at every step of your preparation. Now moving on, once you've completed the first question, you can click on the next question option and you'll be directed to the next question. If you want to check the answer of the previous question or want to go through it, You can click on the previous question option and you'll be redirected to the previous question. Once you've completed all the questions of this practice set, click on this blue arrow and you'll be directed to the next section of this course. So this brings us towards the end of this course walkthrough video, and I hope that आपको एक clear idea मिल पाया on every step that you need to follow in order to purchase and access this complete course. अब इन सब के बाद भी if you feel like you're getting stuck at any point of time, be it while purchasing our course or while studying from it, we are just a click away. If you want to convey any message, feedback or share your query with us, just click on the help button on our website and send your message to us, and our team will ensure to revert back to you as soon as possible. So अब ज़्यादा सोचो मत, इतने अच्छे courses at such low prices कहीं और तो मिलने से रहा. So head out to our website now and initiate your purchase.